Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to my channel Brief Solutions. If you did not subscribe my channel, then please subscribe my channel Brief Solutions and hit the bell icon so that you can find my new videos as soon as possible. So viewers, today we are going to make medicated hand sanitizer. Let's talk about ingredients. So first of all, you need a bottle in which we will make a solution for hand sanitizer and isopropyl alcohol, alovera gel, hydrogen peroxide and glycerin, and we are using 10 ml syringe to take measurements of liquids. Let's start the method. We need 65 ml alcohol, and for that we will fill our syringe up to 10 ml and then we will pour it into the bottle. Similarly, we will add 10 ml more. It became 20 ml. And now it's 30 ml. Now again it's 40 ml. Now 50 ml. And now 60 ml. And for the seventh time we will add 5 ml alcohol. If alcohol is not available in the market, then you can replace alcohol with spirit. And now we will add 3 ml glycerin and we will fill our syringe up to 3 ml. It's 3 ml, and now we will add it into the bottle. And now we will add 2 ml hydrogen peroxide. We will fill up to 2 ml and we will add it into the bottle. And now alovera gel, which we are taking 30 ml, and for that we will fill our 10 ml syringe 3 times and we will pour it into the bottle. It's 10 ml. Now again 10 ml. It became 20 ml. And now again we will fill up to 10 ml and it became 30 ml. Viewers, we are using semi-solid aloe vera gel. You can use solid aloe vera gel to make your sanitizer more thick. Viewers, if you don't have aloe vera gel, then you can use 30 ml water in it instead of aloe vera gel. Viewers, you can add perfume in it to make the fragrance more pleasant. Shake the bottle so that our solution get mixed well. So now it's ready to use. And now spray it on your hands and rub it. Viewers, now your hands get protected from germs and coronavirus. Now you can make medicated hand sanitizer at your home in very low price as compared to market. Make your sanitizer at your home, use it regularly and stay safe. That's all. If you like my video, then please subscribe my channel Brief Solutions and hit the bell icon so that you can find my new videos as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.